How to transfer funds on your Charles Schwab trading platform. First, go to the Accounts tab and click Online Transfer. And select what you want to transfer. Are you transferring cash, positions, or both? In this video, I will show you how to transfer cash. Now, first select the accounts to and from the list. So you can transfer money from your Schwab account to your bank account or from your bank account to the Schwab account. For cash, enter the amount you want to transfer in the box provided. For example, I'm transferring $50 from my cash account to the Schwab account. Now click to review your transfer summary. If everything looks good, then submit the transfer. And here you are done. Transfer is completed.